Hi, my name is Ed Herderick. I'm Vice President of Science and Technology Development here at NSL Analytical in Cleveland, Ohio. And I want to talk about why testing matters, particularly for the additive manufacturing industry. The big driver here is volume is starting to take off in industrial AM as we move from development to production applications. And the speed to market is being slowed by testing and qualification time. Customers need an answer they can take to the bank fast in order to convert their work in progress to saleable products. And the testing data is how we as a community of practice bridge the gap from production and de-risk the AM tech stack for more applications. It's also the answer for how we complete the digital thread for this fundamentally digital manufacturing technology. Here at NSL, we're doing everything from chemistry to powder testing to high temperature mechanical testing to serve additive. There's also a whole spectrum of other industries from forging to casting to weldments that are also in a huge demand cycle, and everything we do to serve the additive community also helps their growth too. There's also a lot of small businesses in the tiered supply chain, and we're helping them grow through strategic partnerships and thoughtful growth where we're partnering together with those companies. To learn more about how we're helping manufacturers with their testing needs, go to our website, nslanalytical.com.